This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back, everyone. Happy Friday. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad. Hope you had a great week. Let's jump into today's action. Very bullish day. We had 539 new highs across the NYSE versus 141 new lows. 68% of shares were advancing versus 28% declining. 34% of stocks were below their respective 50-day, and 32% of stocks were below their respective 200-day. Taking a quick look at mega cap stocks, pretty much a lot of green today. The only red I saw on the Mag 7 was Microsoft, down marginally 0.12%, but you had Nvidia closing up 1.6%, Apple closing up 0.5%, Google was up 0.81%, Meta was up 2.2%, Amazon 2.5%, Tesla up 3.9% as well. Taking a quick look at sectors for the day, you had financials lead the way up 1.7%, consumer cyclical up 1.69%, technology up 1.1%, communication services up 1%, energy up 0.9%, industrials up 0.68%, basic materials up 0.3%. The only red sector today was real estate, down 0.47%. For the week performance, you had energy outrunning everybody, up 5.8%. You had communication services up 1.83%, financials up 0.7%, utilities up 0.6%, and technology up 0.1%. So underperforming there on tech on the weekly basis. You have to wonder here at near lifetime highs, how much higher are we going to go? How much more momentum do we have? And are we going to continue into Q4 and into the holidays, just gangbuster, new highs, S&P above 6,000, maybe the Dow goes to 45,000, and it's just complete new bull market? It's quite possible, and that's what we're going to try to uncover today. So a few weeks ago, on September 20th, after the Fed rate cut announcement, I had posted a few posts discussing the similarities to the climb in stocks in 2007, which eerily was the same day for the 50 basis point cut back then, September 18th, 2007. And stocks climbed for about 2 weeks, or about 18 sessions before rolling over. And at that time, no one knew that that was going to be the final rollover with the great financial crisis. I'm not saying it's going to happen again. I'm just saying, hey, a little bit of trivia here. The Fed cut September 18th, 2007. The Fed cut September 18th, 2024, near the high in 2007. So let's see if they cut near the high again this year. So something to watch. And October 11th, which is the date that I had set, I just basically counted candlesticks, how many sessions it took to top in 2007. That would equate to October 11th, 2024. So that's next week. Also, some things to note. Today is the end of Rosh Hashanah, and obviously the war is still raging. Monday is the October 7th, which is the date where Israel was invaded. So there could be some events around the world. So I'm just pointing this out for all of you to be safe out there, wherever you are in the world listening to this. Hopefully nothing happens that is a danger to anybody. So let's keep peeling this onion. So taking a quick look at what stood out today, when the non-farm payroll numbers came out, it came out a lot higher than everyone expected. So we rallied, but as soon as quick as we rallied, we sold off. And we basically went back to what I call a high volume node, which is a congestion area within a balance area. We did bounce there twice today, and we rallied very hard off of it into the close. Intraday breadth was strong pretty much all day across all the indices, and we had a very bullish day. There's no way around that. When you take a look at what was strong and what was weak, I'll go through some of this. The list is long, so I'm not going to cover everything. So let's go into what was strong in the S&P 500. You had ALB up 8.25%, United Airlines up 6.4%, Deckers Outdoor 6.3%, Discover Financial 6.2%, Capital One Financial 5.6%. AIG up 5.1, Advanced Micro Devices up 4.9, Norwegian Cruise Lines 4.8, Synchrony Financial 4.6, Vistra Energy 4.5, Dell Technologies 4.1, Carnival Cruise Lines 3.9, Tesla 3.9, Delta Airlines 3.8, M&T Bancorp 3.7, Airbnb 3.6. For the NASDAQ, you had Team up 6.5. You had MongoDB up 4.8, Datadog 4.3, Tesla 3.9, Illumina 3.72. Let's see, CrowdStrike 2.9, Lululemon 2.9, Constellation Energy 2.9. What was weak in the S&P? You had EXR, which is Extra Space Storage, down 3.8. Equifax 3.3, DR Horton Home Builder 2.9, Lennar Home Builder 2.4, Pulte Group, which is a home builder, 2.47, Public Storage 2.15, Pool Corp down 2.03. In the NASDAQ, you had Moderna down 1.4. Not much was down, to be quite honest, in the NASDAQ, which was indicative. It was a very bullish session, no doubt. For free members, now that we have the non-farm payrolls behind us, we'll have to start looking at just the technicals and going into the election. We have less than 32 days till the election, and watch macro. Watch the forest, not the trees. Have a great weekend. I will see you all after the Monday session. Premium. That's my train.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.